Greetings and welcome to a journey of flavors, textures, and decadent delight. Today, embark on the culinary adventure of creating a classic Black Forest cake. This traditional German dessert, known as Schwarzwälder Kirschtorte, is a symphony of moist chocolate cake, cherries, and whipped cream. Begin this delightful journey by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As the oven warms, take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, and a teaspoon of salt. Combine these dry ingredients in a large bowl, ensuring they meld together harmoniously. Next, introduce the wet ingredients into this blend. Add a cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Mix these ingredients until the batter is smooth and well combined. Then, stir in a cup of boiling water. This might make the batter thin, but fear not, for it's part of the process to achieve that perfect moist texture. Now that the batter is ready, pour it evenly into 2 9-inch round cake pans that have been greased and floured. Bake these in the preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, cool the cakes in the pans for about 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. While the cakes are cooling, it's time to prepare the cherry filling. Take a jar of cherry pie filling, strain it, and save the syrup. Mix the syrup with 2 tablespoons of kirsch, a cherry-flavored spirit, to give it a tangy twist. Meanwhile, whip up 2 cups of heavy cream with a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar until it forms stiff peaks. This will serve as the creamy layer between the cakes and on top. When the cakes have cooled, cut each one horizontally into 2 layers. Place 1 layer on the serving plate, spread 1/3 of the whipped cream on top, and spoon 1/3 of the cherry filling over the cream. Repeat this process with the remaining layers. Finally, cover the entire cake with the remaining whipped cream and decorate with chocolate shavings and whole cherries. And there it is, a classic Black Forest cake, a tantalizing treat with layers of moist chocolate cake, whipped cream, and cherries, all enhanced with a hint of kirsch. It's a journey through the Black Forest in every bite, a journey that begins with simple ingredients and ends with a masterpiece of baking artistry. To recap, start with the dry and wet ingredients, bake the cake layers, prepare the cherry filling and whipped cream, assemble the cake, and finish with decorations. Each step takes you closer to creating this delicious dessert, a testament to your baking prowess. Remember, the beauty of baking lies in its simplicity and the magic that happens in the oven. So go forth and create this Black Forest cake, a dessert that's sure to impress and delight. Enjoy the process, and most importantly, enjoy your creation.